Hey guys, today we're going to learn all of the Japanese language's most common 100 words, so this is going to be your go-to if you're just starting out. So, let's get going guys. Kore, this. Sore, that. Are, that over there. Watashi, Boku, I. Kare, he. Kanojo, she. Watashitachi, we. Karera, they. Toshi, year. Getsu, month. Nichi, day. Shuu, week. Kyou, today. Ashita, tomorrow. Kinou, yesterday. Jikan, time. Fun, minute. Toki, time. Koto, about thing. Nihon, Japan. Tame, for or in regards to. Hito, person. Mono, thing. Kuni, country. Daigaku, college. Ima, now. Mae, before. Ato, after. Ato, after. Eki, train station. Sem, line. Densha, train. Kuruma, car. Heya, room. Namae, name. Tokoro, place. Chikatetsu, subway. Naka, middle. Soto, outside. Gakko, school. Go, language, such as Eigo, Supaingo, Gengo, Nihongo. Mizu, water. Eiga, movie. Terebi, TV. Kazoku, family. Machi, town. Hokano, other. Shushin, hometown. Toire, bathroom. Uchi, or ie, home. Mise, shop. Suru, to do. Desu, to be. Naru, to become. Aru, there is for inanimate objects and plants. Iru, there is for living things like humans and animals. You, to say. Iku, to go. Dekiru, to be able to do or can do. Miru, to see. Okuru, to send. Motsu, to have or to hold. Matsu, to wait. Ao, to meet. Yobu, to call. Oku, to put. Ukeru, to receive. Tsukuru, to make. Tsuku, to arrive. Tsukao, to use. Manabu, to learn. Taberu, to eat. Nomu, to drink. Kaeru, to return home. Oi, many. Takusan, lots of. Sukoshi, few. Toi, far. Chikai, near. Chisai, small. Oki, big. Yoi, good. Warui, bad. Kirei, clean. Pretty. Minikui, ugly. Muzukashi, difficult. Kantan, easy. Umai, nice. Oishii, delicious. Mazui, disgusting. Daijoubu, alright. Sugoi, amazing. Tanoshii, enjoyable. Tottemo, very. Shikashi, however. Mata, also. Sono ato, after that. Sono toki, at that time. Bae wa, if you, or if this happens. Tatoeba, for example. Tatoeba, for example. Sorekara, then. Dakara, so. Well done guys, that was awesome. Now make sure to watch the video a few times and write down the words that you didn't know. Remember guys, keep practicing and you will get there. So, we'll see you next time and check out the channel for more interesting Japanese videos. See you guys, mata ne. Hey guys, if you're a beginner looking to get a real grasp of the Japanese in a structured way that works, check out my Ultimate Japanese Beginner course. What? I've created a 10-week course with 10 insanely powerful lessons. Wow! Packed full with all the best tips and tricks I've learned over the past 10 years. You'll learn everything from the basics of writing, sentence patterns, verb conjugations, vocab, and overall concrete basic understanding of the foundations you need to supercharge your guys' Japanese learning journey. Sign me up! Now by the end of the 10 weeks, you'll even be able to have some basic conversations in Japanese too. So try the first lesson free at www.udonclassroom.co.uk now and start your journey. Nice! I'll see you guys there. Bye for now.
日本語を勉強しましょう。うどん教室へようこそ。始めるぞ。